Gipster today is Friday, October 16th. It is day 38, and you today are going to read Fever chapter 23. So you should have already answered this question for the do now. It says in chapter 22, Maddie and Nell continue to bond. Bond means to become closer emotionally. So you can see a picture of someone around Maddie's age with a young girl around Nell's age, maybe a little older. So the question you're thinking is, should Maddie bring Nell to the orphan house, or should she try to take care of her on her own? And you want to make sure to tell me why you think what you do. So now we're in the intro to the lesson, and there are a couple of things I want you to pay attention to in this chapter. Excuse me. So towards the beginning of the chapter, the kids, and by kids I mean Nell, Robert, and William, so the little kids, they're going to be playing outside while Maddie's taking care of them. They're actually going to be chasing a rooster around, but they're going to be playing together. Maddie, Nell, and Eliza are going to visit the orphan house. The orphan house is going to be very crowded. So you will read about the person who works there is very stressed out. She has a lot of kids that she needs to care for and not a lot of space. Also, while Maddie's walking around, she's going to see that there is something weird falling from the sky. You're just going to see daisies falling from the sky, kind of just like in this picture. Pay attention to who is throwing those daisies. And then at the end, Mother Smith, who is working with the family, with Joseph's family, trying to help them out, she's actually going to move on to a different family. So pay attention to why she moves on. As you read today, you have your audio support. You'll also see two sections where it says fast forward through this section. That's where I'm going to give you the gist to cut out a section of text so that you can focus on the most important parts of the chapter. As always, make sure that you're looking at the questions on the side, making sure to answer them carefully, but not just answering them, also highlighting evidence in the text that shows you what the answer is. Once you get to the gist, don't forget to pause here and say yes or no for if these gists match what you read in the section. And if you click or answer no, make sure you go back and reread the section and highlight anything that has to do with that gist. At the very end, like usual, you will also see your link to your exit ticket.